Oracle Server X5-2 and Oracle Server X6-2 VCAP. How to replace a power supply unit. Please use an anti-static wrist strap and anti-static mat when handling sensitive components. Disconnect the power cord from the faulty power supply. Press down on the release latch. Pull the power supply out of the chassis. Slide the new power supply into the chassis. Close the release latch. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Verify that the AC present LED is lit. Thank you to Mike Mazzucato for his contribution to this video.